Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. We're going to be talking about an amazing 10-year-old business called Exitus. I've been a part of it for 2 years now, and out of all the years I've been doing affiliate marketing, this has to be the very best one I've ever been a part of. It's been running 10 years. We get paid 100% instant commissions to any payment processor that we want to use: PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe. The company never holds our money, so we don't have to worry about if like someday the company fails or the the person who runs it drives the business into the ground. You don't have to worry about that because you've been getting paid this whole time. Now, Exitus Elite, like I said, has been running for 10 years. The owner is one of the best owners I've ever met in any business that I've done. He cares about the business. He's still updating the business. He's still giving us tools and resources to help us make more sales and commissions. It's up to you if you want to use those tools. But all I can say is all around Exitus Elite is a fantastic opportunity. So this right here is something I'm going to give to you guys for free. You can use this in your marketing to show people what's possible with this business. Now, in Exitus Elite, we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. And here's some examples. This is just to show you what's possible in this business. This is a life-changing business, but if you're not positioned to make that life-changing income, you're not going to make that life-changing income. But with Exitus Elite, we have the G1000 where I came in at, right here. I came in here because when I came into the G1000, I got all these unlocked for me at no extra cost. So I could still make $100, $250, and $500 plus the $1,000 this whole time. Now, the lowest commission you can make is $100. You made like let's say you brought in 5 people that came in this week at the G100. You made $500. That can be life-changing as well. Now, what if you made five of these a week? Or 5 of these a week? Or even 5 of these a week? Think about it. This business has the potential to make life-changing income. That's why I came in all the way up here. I didn't come down here at any of the lower ones. Now, I recommend that you come in as high as you can possibly afford. If you can make the G1000 or even even better, the G2000, that's how you make life-changing income in Exitus Elite. Because I have never been in an opportunity where I've actually felt comfortable the whole time I've been in it. Now, there have been times where, like, I'm joining a new business, but I'm starting to see things that have happened in other businesses, and I'm like, is this going to stay afloat? With Exitus Elite, Paul Stevenson has been running this for 10 years now. 10 years. That's virtually unheard of in my experience in affiliate marketing, that a business has lasted that long. Now, there are opportunities that are still running after like 6 years and stuff, but it's not being updated anymore, or the owner has pretty much left the business. It's still running, but it's just he's not focusing all his attention on this business. Paul Stevenson has focused every bit of energy and resources into his business, and he's always looking out for more. He's always looking to improve it every day. So I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business. Now, let's get back to here real quick. So when you become a member of my team, I'm giving this away to you guys absolutely free. You could show people what's possible with this business. Now, don't say that these are your commissions, because they're not. Don't lie to people. But you can show people by these examples what the potential for this business. Now, if you scroll all the way up to the top of this page, we also give you some ad copy here that you can use. And we also give you some free links that you can post ads in. These are actually really good for affiliate marketing, these first three here. Actually, I've never really used Craigslist, but I know some people that use it. But you could also try out all these other sites too, to get more exposure to your business. But we give you the headlines to the ads, and we give you the ad bodies. So, and the ad copy keeps going down. These are detailed suggestions, different talking points about Exitus Elite, with the ability to earn $1,000 and $2,000 commissions consistently. Exitus Elite provides a potential lucrative income opportunity for those who are willing to put in the work. Now, remember that. Put in the work. Plus access to our team bonuses, team sales pages, team training pages, and our private chat. I'm going to go over all that in a minute. But that's what this platform's all about. So let's go to the Three Generations bonus training. I partnered up with a good friend of mine who I've known for years. You can give all this stuff out to your team as well. So here's some they're like between 5 to 9 minute videos. Bad businesses and bad owners. I was just talking about that. You can have a bad business and you can do it right, but it's still a bad business. Email training and follow-up emails. Let's see you brand you. Let them see you branding you. Have positive energy in your videos. I'm always excited about Exitus Elite every time I talk about it, because all I do really is I just hit the record button and just let go. I tell people exactly why I believe in my business. I don't hold anything back. I don't sugarcoat anything. This commission came to me a couple weeks ago, back on March 22nd. It's now, what is it? Actually, it's more than a couple weeks ago. It's actually now April 17th. I can't believe it. The month's gone by. But when I got this commission, I wasn't expecting it. But it's because I'm showing people the way and what I do to make commissions. I do videos, yes. I do some paid advertising from time to time, but my main focus is doing videos. And imagine just one day $500 comes to you because of all the work that you put into your business. The fruits are starting to happen for me anyways. Here's a few examples of some other commissions I've made. $250 commission, $150. What person couldn't need this kind of money even if it comes a few times a month? I remember being in businesses where I had to bring in a lot of people in order to start making really good, life-changing money. I had to put a lot of work in. In Exitus Elite, you could get 5 $100 commissions or 5 $1,000 commissions. Who knows? But you have the potential to make great money in this business. And I'm not going to any other business. Exitus Elite has become my permanent home. And all I can say is I absolutely love Exitus Elite. So let me just go back to here. So I showed you all this. So why do this business? We get paid immediately, 100% instant commissions. We get to pick how we want to get paid. We have lower and upper levels. Upper gives you all the lower products. So if you came in here at the G1000, all these product levels would unlock for you, including the training that's in all these products. Yes, Exitus Elite is a training platform. It teaches you how to run a business online. It teaches you self-development. It teaches you a lot of things that are going to help you to be able to basically, what am I saying? You got to remember, guys, I am unscripted. Everything I say just comes out of me. So you get training in this opportunity. Plus, you have the ability to make these commissions. Let's go back here. It's a one-up compensation plan. So what that means is your first commission sale is your qualifying sale. So let's say you came in at the G1000. Your first commission sale would get passed up to me. And then let's say you bring in 3 more people here at the G1000. Now this is just for illustrational purposes. So let's say you bring Mike, Tom, and Mary in after you get qualified. Those are all your commissions moving forward. And then when those 3 people start building their business, they're going to pass up their 3 first commission sales up to you. So you made $3,000 of off those people, plus them working their business. You made an extra $3,000. So you made essentially $6,000. Now that's just an example. It doesn't mean it's going to happen that way right away. But as you're building your business, those things can happen. And even if one of those people was a G500, their first $500 commission would get passed up to you because you're qualified here at the G1000. So it works the same way with all these product levels. So the higher you come in at, the less pass-ups you'll have to do in the future. But it doesn't matter, because when I came in here at the G1000, all of these were qualified. So I could still be making money off these lower product levels while I was waiting for that G1000. Now, let's say I made a G2000 sale. So basically, you get qualified when you make your first sale at that level or higher. So let's say you came in here at the G500 and you made your first sale, but it's a G1000 sale. So that's going to get passed up to me. That sale's going to go to me, but that qualifies you as well. As long as you make a sale at the place that you're at or higher, and you're qualified. So, we make money off the initial packages that we sell. Plus, we can get pass-up sales to whatever for when your downline makes their first sales. And we also have override commissions. So what that is, let's say you're qualified here at the G100, but you make a G1000 sale. So someone's coming through your system and they're saying, I want to make as much profit as I can in my business, so I'm going to go to the G1000. You'll still make your $100 commission, but the remaining $900 that's left over is going to get passed up to me because I'm qualified at that level. So that's why I love Exitus Elite. And if you got a $2,000 sale, I'm not qualified here. $1,900 would get passed up to me if I was qualified here at the G2000. But the other cool thing is, let's say you come in here at the G500, but you want to, the G1000, but you want to upgrade to the G2000. When I came in at the G1000, there's the admin fee, which was $299. So the admin fee goes directly to Exitus Elite. That's how they make their money. And then it says, important to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So when you pay for the actual product, that's basically you paying me my commission. So if I wanted to upgrade to here, I'd take $299 off the admin fee and $1,000 off the $2,000 that's supposed to go to my sponsor. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm only coming in at $1,100. So you just pay the difference what you paid for the last product. That's why I love Exitus Elite. It's one of the best compensation plans out there, and I absolutely love it. So, and there's no monthly or yearly fees in Exitus Elite at all. So, the company never holds our money. We have a Facebook group with happy and active members. I already said all that. Lower level upgrades, you just pay the difference. If you believe in your business, go all in as soon as you can. All levels are included. When you go all in your downline are way more likely to do the exact same thing. You lead by example, essentially. So this was actually a screenshot of my dashboard. Now, I can't show the full dashboard because it tells you how much you made and stuff. And we have to stay compliant with the FTC and the SEC and all the governmental institutions that regulate online businesses. So, as you can see right here, it's G1000 and qualified. So, I can make between $100 to $1,000 instant commissions. I'm going to talk real quick about Paul Stevenson. Simply put, Paul Stevenson is the best online business owner I have ever met. He has over 30 years in online and storefront businesses. The first thought that comes to mind with Paul Stevenson and our Exitus Elite is quality. Everything about Exitus Elite is quality. Our default lead capture pages are really good. I made that $500 commission off of one of those default pages. Paul has been running this business for over 9 years. This year it's 10 years. Paul Stevenson has nothing but the very best for the company and always puts the members first, always. Paul is always adding new tools and updates to the training to benefit everyone who joins Exitus Elite. We have weekly webinars hosted by Paul Stevenson. Why join my team? I'm accessible. I encourage you to call me. If you want to join, I will help you to get started. I will give you our 3 generations bonus training, which you can also give to your team, like I showed you before. I always join businesses I believe in. That is so important. Only join businesses that you believe in, because if you don't believe in the business, you're less likely to be enthusiastic about that business. And I always want what's best for my team. I want to see you succeed. I can't guarantee that you'll succeed, because are you willing to put in the work that you need to do? To me, it's fun work. I really don't care. But so why come in at the G$1,000 level? Now, these are the reasons why I came in at that level. It positions you to make life-changing $1,000 commissions, $100 commissions, $250 commissions, and $500 commissions, depending on where your referrals come in at, plus pass-up sales and override sales. You get all the training products at the lower levels at no extra cost. You'll get our team bonus training. Yeah, I already said that. There's a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 level than any other product level. It's because, and it makes sense. People want to make as much profit as they can in their business. If you can't come in at the G1000, then come in as high as you can possibly afford. If you upgrade, you only pay the difference. Life-changing income for sure. So, I'm just going to show you real quick. This was the newest update to the company last year. It's our Exitus Elite call center. So the prospect watches your video on the sales page. They call the call center. They join your business. Now, what does the call center do? They can close sales for you. So if you close your own sales, you make 100% of the commission. It's 100% yours. If they call the call center and they come in, you get 80% of the commission, and then 20% of that commission goes to the person who did all the work for you. Now, that is amazing. You're only giving 20% back to Exitus Elite for the people who did all the work for you, but you get 80% still. So, if I get a G1000, if somebody calls the call center, they have questions, and if the call center can close the sale for you, I get $800 in Exitus Elite, or the person who did the work for me gets $200. Now, originally, Paul Stevenson was going to make that a 50-50 split. Now, so I would get $500 and I would send them $500. But because Paul Stevenson is always finding ways and trying to make it so we can make more income in our businesses, he's always putting things together like that. He always has new tools and ways of marketing and different platforms that he'll usually tell us about in our weekly webinars. It's up to you if you want to choose to use those resources that he gives. But that's the kind of guy Paul Stevenson is. He loves his business, and he wants all of us to succeed. So that's why I love this business. Now, so I think I went through everything. Let me go back to my recent commission, that $500. Why is this so important? Because $500 commissions, or even $1,000 commissions, or even $2,000 commissions makes this opportunity a life-changing business. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. It was just one weekend, and since I'm already technically self-employed, I am self-employed. I do different gigs online and offline that equal a full-time income. Because I got that $500, I took the next 4 days off. I'm doing pretty well financially right now, and I was like, hey, I'm just going to take the next 4 days off because of Exitus Elite. So, do I believe in Exitus Elite? Yes, I do. Let me just this is my YouTube channel. I have all these videos of Exitus Elite. If I didn't believe in it, I would not have paid the amount of money I paid to get into Exitus Elite. Or would I even take all the time to make all these videos for Exitus Elite? I just wouldn't. I only work this hard if it's something I believe in. And to me, it's not hard work. It's fun work. I love making videos. I overcame my fears so I could do better in my business. And all I can say is I absolutely love this business. I really do. And all I do is I hit the record button. I let go. I tell people why I love my business. And just think what this business could mean to you and your family. I'm single. I've never married. But if I had a family, I would be sharing this with my family. It would help me pay for different things for my children and for whatever. There are many opportunities out there, yes. But how many of those opportunities are still making money after 10 years? People are still making money in this business. And it's all due to the owner of that business. Now, there's a really good opportunity that's a competitor technically with Exitus Elite, and I think the highest in that opportunity you can make is $300. You can make more than $300 in Exitus Elite. You can make $100, $250. So you can make, that's the equivalent of getting a G1000 and a G250 if you minus the 50 off of this. So, but if you can make 3 of these a month, even 3 of these a month, that's $1,500. If you make 3 of these a month, that's $3,000. If you make 3 of these a month, that's $6,000. And that's not including the potential pass-ups you can get, whether it's the first sales of your downline coming up to you. Let's say you have downline in the G250 and the G500 and the G100. Those are potential pass-up 100, potential pass-up of 250, and potential pass-up of 500 dollar commissions on top of the regular $1,000 commissions you make and the regular amount of money you can make off of these products. So all I could say about Exitus Elite is it is a life-changing business. And to be able to just wake up one morning and realize that you just made $500 just getting up in the morning. And I found out that this guy, he called me up, and you can call me. He called me up saying he wanted to come into Exitus Elite. He said he was either going to come in at the G250 or the G500. He came in at the G500. And he might upgrade to the G1000 this month. He said he probably will. So all I can say about this business is that it's the best business I have ever been a part of. And I absolutely love Exitus Elite. I am not going anywhere. I'm not the type of person who is a business hopper who joins this new business and that new business. I have known a lot of people that do that. I don't do that. I'm accessible. You can call me. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get a lot out of this video. And I hope you can call me as well. You can call me. You can text me. You can use Facebook Messenger if you want to call me. Send me a friend request. I have flashed my information up here this whole time. So that's pretty much it. We're coming on a half hour. I'm very passionate about Exitus Elite. That's why some of my videos go really long like this. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. If you liked the video, make sure you like it. again, unscripted. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new content. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer your questions. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.